In this video, I will show you how to schedule your YouTube video. Now, after uploading your video and adding the video details and elements and performing other tasks, you need to move to visibility. And as you can see, you can first choose your video visibility accordingly. And after that, down here, you can go on to schedule your video. And as you can see, you can select a date and a time when you want your video to be published. You can also set your video as a premiere to let your audience know when it will go live. And you can always share your scheduled video privately. And after you schedule your video, if you go to channel content, you can find your scheduled video. And under visibility, you can edit the scheduled date and time, or even decide to publish the video right away. And you can also edit your scheduled video and perform other tasks like downloading and deleting the video. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.